Hello everyone and welcome to our tutorial today with the Putnam County District Library. I'm Addie and today I'm going to talk to you about cryptocurrency scams. So it's a rundown of what cryptocurrency is, because there may still be some folks out there who are not aware of what that word means, how cryptocurrency is used, and the different stories and methods that scammers are using that involve cryptocurrency. There are lots of different specific types of cryptocurrency scams out there, so I will only be able to cover a small sampling of them. The next security video I'm going to do that's coming out later this month, it will be available like this one on the library's Facebook and YouTube pages, will outline more specific tactics to avoid these cryptocurrency scams. So definitely keep an eye out for that. All of this helpful and very thorough information comes from the FTC. That's the Federal Trade Commission, the FTC's website, which I will include a link at the end of the video in case you want to do some further research about all of this on your own, on their website. So to begin, what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a type of digital currency, meaning money that exists only online or electronically. One well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are many other different cryptocurrencies with new ones still being created. By the end of this tutorial, I will be able to say that word. Okay, so for example, there's Bitcoin. That's one company. That's one type of cryptocurrency. So how do people access this cryptocurrency? They use their phone, computer, or there's even cryptocurrency ATMs out there. You must buy cryptocurrency using one of these methods. It is accessed via an exchange, an app, a website, or one of those cryptocurrency ATMs. So you have to access it pretty much online, virtually, or go to one of the ATMs because it is a virtual form of money. So what's the point of cryptocurrency? People use it for many different reasons. To make quick payments, to avoid transaction fees that traditional banks charge, or because it does offer a sense of anonymity. Many others buy and hold cryptocurrency as a form of investment, with the hope that the value will continuously increase, just like with other forms of stock, which is why Bitcoin reached headlines in the not too distant past, because people were, all of a sudden their stock was worth a lot in Bitcoin. So where and how is cryptocurrency stored? It's stored in a digital wallet, which can be online, on your computer, or on an external hard drive. So what's the difference between cryptocurrency and US dollars? Cryptocurrency accounts are not backed by a government. It's not insured in the way that US dollars are deposited into an FDIC-insured bank account. This means that if something happens to your account, your digital wallet, or cryptocurrency funds, or if you mistakenly send cryptocurrency to the wrong person, or if your digital wallet is stolen, any of these things, the government has no obligation to step in and help you get your money back. No one can help you recover your lost funds, potentially. Cryptocurrency values are extremely volatile and they are changing constantly, often by significant drops. There's no guarantee that if the value of your cryptocurrency drops, it will ever bounce back up again. So how is cryptocurrency different from other methods of payment? Well, number one, there is no legal protection. There are no legal protections on cryptocurrency. With a debit or credit card, you do have legal protections. You can contact the credit card company to dispute a purchase, and there's a process in place to help retrieve your money. Cryptocurrency has no such legal protections. So, number one. Number two, typically not reversible. If you pay with cryptocurrency, you can usually only get your money back if the person you paid sends it back. This means that you are at the mercy of the seller's reputation. And number three, some information about your transactions using cryptocurrency may be public. Certain information is recorded from a cryptocurrency transaction, both on the payment and the receipt sides. If a seller collects information from you, for example, your shipping address, that info can be used to identify you later on. So just some good things to know about using cryptocurrency. Okay, so let's move into the different types of cryptocurrency scams. Like I said at the beginning, there are lots and lots of these. I'm going to cover some of the major ones, the ones that are a little bit more common. So number one, an investment scam. Some of these may sound familiar if you have watched some of my other tech security videos. So keep that in mind. You may be hearing me repeat myself, but that's okay. I don't mind. Okay, so number one is an investment scam. So an investment manager, quote unquote, contacts you out of the blue, promising that if you buy cryptocurrency and transfer it to their online account, they'll grow your money. Or you'll potentially be contacted by a scammer who's pretending to be a celebrity. Often they will contact you through social media, promising to multiply your funds if you invest through them. They are reaching out to you, which, let's be honest, celebrities don't really message us on Facebook and talk to us. That's just not the way the world works. So if you click on a link that this celebrity investor sends you, or if you send cryptocurrency to their QR code or some other form of payment method to them, sending cryptocurrency in some form, sends the money to them and then it's gone. You probably won't be able to get it back. So number one are the investment manager or celebrity cryptocurrency scammers. Number two, a dating scam. So let's say you're on some online dating resource website and somebody you have met online or you meet online asks you to send money or cryptocurrency with an offer to invest it for you wisely. What a nice offer. Crypto or money sent to them, once sent, is gone. So if someone reaches out to you via a dating website resource and asks you to send money or crypto, they're just going to take your money. Don't do it. It's a scam. Okay, number three. This is kind of a general rule, a general category. Any kind of short-term big payout promise. Nobody can guarantee big payouts or any payout at all, especially in a short time when it comes to investing. Do not fall for the low-risk promises. Even if there's a celebrity endorsement or testimonials from happy investors, that is all easily faked. So anything that comes to you that's a short-term big payout promise, be wary. That's probably a scam. They just can't guarantee that kind of thing. Okay, number four. This one's probably going to sound familiar if you've watched my other videos, but well-known company impersonators. Scammers pretend to be Amazon, Microsoft, your bank, government agencies, even utility companies. They may claim that there's a fraud on your account, your money is at risk, you owe money. Any of these things, you need to fix it by buying and sending crypto. This is a scam. Okay, anybody asking you to buy or demanding that you buy crypto to fix something is a scam. And number five, this one was new to me and I think it's pretty sneaky. Scammers offer fraudulent crypto coins or tokens. Okay, so fraudulent cryptocurrency tokens or coins. Scammers impersonate new or established businesses and claim that that company is entering the crypto world by issuing their own tokens. They offer to sell you these tokens to use at whatever business they're impersonating. They'll even go so far as to create fake social media ads, news articles, or websites in order to trick people into buying these fake tokens. So if someone approaches you with this story, research online to see if that company, whatever company they claim to be, see if that company has indeed issued a coin or token. It will be publicized widely if so. Okay, so there's five of the big guys, five big common cryptocurrency scams. My next video is going to cover how to recognize, avoid, and report cryptocurrency scams. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.